I reviewed an eportfolio on a nursing student at Auburn. Her name is Allie Collins, and overall, I thought her website was very well put together. It's colorful, it has images, there's different fonts, different bolding of text. It's just very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. She has tabs up here at the top that are very straightforward. All the information that one could ever need is very easy to find, and I think she includes all the information any employer, anyone would ever want to see. And she doesn't include any unnecessary information. I think everything she has is important to know. In this tab, she just talks a little bit about herself and how she grew up. And then moving along, she has a tab about the nursing career itself and kind of why she chose to do it. This tab here is my favorite. She talks about the different skills and the different practices that she did to get to where she is today. And for an undergrad student like myself, this tab is very helpful because it tells us and explains different skills and traits that we need in the medical field to be successful. So I really like this. Her resume takes you straight to the resume with no fuss. And she has a contact me, which is very simple and easy to fill out. Brief information on what you would like from her, your name, email. Everything is just very easily navigated. The only thing I would say is that when I first clicked on the tabs, they were a little slow to load at the top, but after the first time, they all loaded very quickly. Also, she has this quote on the first page that's one of my favorite parts. It's very inspiring and engaging just to see right off the bat. It really makes you want to read, and she has images on every single page, which is just very helpful, and it really engages you to want to read her website. So overall, it was very well done.